Our political editor, Aishwarya Kapoor, also joining us. So, Digvijay Singh, one sounds confident that the government is not in danger, but very importantly, he's lashing out at Sachin Pilot, going on to ask that exactly what is he upset about. It seems that within the Congress party, there are several who are coming on record now to question Sachin Pilot's decision.
Because, Shivani, that's the sheer frustration which has seeped in because they know that they were only 84. They may be claiming 109, 104, 105, then 96, but the reality is only 84. And out of those 84, if sources are to believe, 6 are more than ready to jump the ship today itself. It's only because they're right in the clutches of the Chief Minister and he's flexing his muscles, whether it's the SOG, whether it's the local police. They are basically unable to go. But if you believe the Sachin Pilot camp, then they feel 18. 18 is the figure he feels out of 84 is going to jump ship. And now you have cabinet ministers coming out on social networking sites and claiming that they are with Sachin Pilot. So the fact of the matter remains that the government of the day, that is Ashok Gehlot's government, seems to be a minority government. Sachin Pilot is not going back into the Congress. That's a done deal. That's what we are being told by our sources very, very clearly, that he has jumped too far. He cannot go back. And as far as him joining BJP is concerned, that could happen now in at least a week or 10 days' time, because what's happening prior to that, and the indication has been given by the BJP itself, that of an ask for a floor test. And if Sachin Pilot, being a Deputy Chief Minister, Shivani, as we were discussing earlier as well, if a letter is sent directly to the governor that he's resigning, and with him he has X number of MLAs, and the present Chief Minister is in minority, does not entertain the majority of the House, the governor, going by the rule book, would have to seek the Chief Minister to show his force, to show that he entertains the majority, and that would need at least 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 days. And that's the exact time which Sachin Pilot is looking for so that he can get. Because with Ashok Gehlot, there are 84. With Sachin Pilot, there are 18. There is still a group of MLAs which is neither here nor there. That is the group which Sachin Pilot is so desperately after at. And he needs time to get those MLAs in his fold. Right. And that's how he will get those MLAs. That's what we are being told by our sources.
That the Bharatiya Tribal Party has already issued a whip. And that whip is not helping Ashok Gehlot. It might not help Sachin Pilot either, because they don't want to side with either right now. But that is also not good news for Ashok Gehlot.
No, whip was already there. Whip was already there. Sachin Pilot did not give two hoots about the whip. He did not came. And he made it very clear that he's not going to come. And with him, there were 22 MLAs who were not there. As we've been saying, there are only 84. Congress's strength is 107. If you include those BSP MLAs who've shifted sides. If you exclude, it's 102, but there were only 84. So the whip has not worked. And it's out in the open for the Congress party, for Ashok Gehlot. And that's why you see that desperation, getting in those luxury buses into the Chief Minister's official residence, not even allowing them to come in their private vehicles, because there is zero trust factor. There's no trust, Shivani. There is no trust of the Chief Minister on his own MLAs. Because they know that he is completely aware that he's only controlling them through power.
This is the first indication on record, the letter, the whip we've also accessed, Aishwarya, which shows at least that the BTP, which is part of the government, they may only have 2 MLAs, but the BTP does not want to side with Gehlot in case there is a floor test. So that's in itself also a big development.
Well, if there is a floor test, well, we are talking about the central government, and at the end of the day, we all are aware about that, what tricks can be unfurled out of the hat there. So no regional party, for that matter, would want to take on the central government. And we've already seen a trailer of that in the morning, whether we accept it or not, Shivani. So though the government claims that there is no vendetta politics, there is no targeting, but it's out in the open for, to see for all. And especially if you talk about the smaller regional players, they are going to go whichever side you have the central government. So at the end of the day, Sachin Pilot has that backing from behind the curtain as of now, because he's not been able to keep up his side of the deal. He promised 31 MLAs. It's only been 18. 31 were not there. That's why BJP has said that we are going to openly come out. You get 31, and then leave the rest to us. So the fact remains that Sachin Pilot is desperately trying to get that group of MLAs, which is neither here nor there, Shivani.
All right, Aishwarya, thanks a lot for joining us. Now,